My dear students, as we discussed advantages and disadvantages of internal recruitment methods in the last session, today we need to discuss some ways of internal recruitment methods. First of all, we must need to know that why internal recruitment methods are important, because sometimes you can advertise vacancies, but it is better to advertise vacancies. You can fill the positions through your internal employees. So different organizations used different methods to locate qualified internal candidates. It is not always necessary to go for the external candidates. Sometimes organizations can use different methods to locate qualified internal candidates and to inform their existing employees about the job vacancies. So if you are informing about your vacancies to your existing employees, then it would be called as internal recruitment methods. There are two major things included in the internal recruitment methods. One can be the use of a computerized record system, and second is the use of a job posting. So we will discuss both of these concepts. First of all, computerized record system. Computers have enabled the creation of data bank that contains the personal details of existing employees, their qualification, their employment experience, their work history. So computerized record system may have details of each and every employee in the company. How this computerized record system help? That computerized record system can help to locate the qualification of employees and compare it with the current vacancy. Such information can be specially presented in the form of two things. We already discussed these two concepts in the session of workforce planning. One is a skill inventory and second is a replacement charts. Skill inventories and replacement charts can help us to locate the best qualified internal candidates to fill any particular vacancy in the organization. Second, and the most commonly used internal recruitment method is the job posting. Advertising of a job openings to current employees via different ways. What are those ways? It can be a bulletin boards, it can be a newsletters, it can be a personal letters to each employee, and it can be a computerized posting programs. So different programs can be used for the job postings. There are some ways which we need to discuss about job posting. Number one, jobs are posted in prominent place. Prominent place where employees can see the job posting. Or these can be advertised so interested employees are likely to see them. So it must be in a prominent place so that each and every employee can see them. Most of the time, these are notice boards. Number two, all permanent promotions and transfer opportunities must be posted. It is not a good idea to hide some of the opportunities and present other opportunities. It is better to post all prominent promotions and transfer opportunities to each and every employees on a prominent place. Number three, job openings is posted before external recruitment begin. It is not a good idea to start external recruitment and then put job posting. It is better to put job posting before external recruitment method begin. So you can get maximum benefit of the job posting rather than putting a lot of budget and time in using external recruitment methods. Number four, this is very important, students. A job specification must be mentioned in the job postings. A job specification includes the listing so that employees judge whether they possess the necessary knowledge, skills, and abilities, formal education, and their personal requirements. So these all information must be mentioned in the job posting. Number five, where can be the position eligibility rules and criteria for selection need to be very clear. If someone is not eligible, he can not need to apply for that position. So the position eligibility rules and criteria for selection must be clearly mentioned in the job posting. For example, an applicant should know whether the decision will be based on seniority, or the decision would be based on a performance, or the decision would be based on the combination of both seniority and performance. Whether they must fulfill minimum length of service, requirement in the present job before applying for a promotion or transfer. It means that each and every point need to be clear in a job specification and in the job posting. So the employees need to be clear that whether they need to apply or not apply for the job, because it is not easy to apply for any particular vacancy by the employees. And number 6, once the decision is made about promotion or selection, all applicants are informed about the decision. And particularly, it is very important to inform unsuccessful candidates, and if unsuccessful candidates would not be counseled, their motivation level can be down. So it is very important to tell unsuccessful applicants, and if counseling is necessary, do the counseling in an appropriate way.